Today, we'll see the applications of SQL. SQL allows wide range of applications. The most important wide application of SQL is that it allows us to perform CRUD operations. SQL allows the end users to create. Now we can create tables, schemas, we can create relationship between those tables using SQL to store the data in an efficient way. Similarly, we can perform the read operation onto the database using SQL. We can read the data in the way that is required by the user. Similarly, we can have the operation like update. Whenever there is a mistake, we can update those particular mistake and clear out things. We can perform this update operation in several ways so as to store the data in the way what we actually require. Similarly, we can perform the operation of delete. If a case arises that we no longer want a particular schema into the database, then there is a provision to delete that particular data from the database. Now, because we can perform these CRUD operations using SQL, henceforth, SQL is used in data analytics. Now, data analytics utilize SQL queries to extract, analyze, as well as derive insights from larger datasets stored in databases. Similarly, it is also used in database design. Now, in this, we employ SQL to create efficient and structured databases, defining tables, relationships, and constraints. Similarly, SQL is used in database administration. To manage, monitor, and maintain databases, we can use SQL for tasks like backup, security, and performance optimization. Now, there is an application of SQL which is used to optimize the SQL queries that we write to perform a particular task into the database. And this increases the performance of the database by analyzing the execution plans, indexing strategies, and query optimization techniques. Oh, it seems that I got a notification. Let me check that. Till then, you can check this. Welcome to the day 2 of Decoding SQL.